The main advantages of using Stratiam is that we've taken away the headache of connecting to many other third-party API connectors, so you can instantly get your data into a data environment or a data lake to then analyze that from. Other BI tools tend to be a bit more historic in terms of how they look at data, so they might involve downloading a CSV and trying to store that, transform it, manipulate that, and then typically when the BI analyst or data scientist is looking at that data, they're looking at historic data. We like to work with live connectors, so you're always looking at the most current version of your data. In fact, we've also added machine learning to Stratiam, so not only can you look at the live or real-time data, but you can also kind of forward look, so you can almost forward forecast what that time series, that data series is going to do. And also by moving all of data into a single environment, you can start to correlate data signals from different places, and from that get a single source of truth that can be shared with your team. Another advantage Stratiam gives to our managed services customers is transparency on how we're managing the data, so they can log in and completely see what's being done on their account and share that with other members of their team. Connecting to multiple data sources allows you to have visibility over your entire IT infrastructure, so you can see everything that's happening within that infrastructure at one time. So examples of its use might be for looking at number of service desk tickets that we see, ticket volumes, asset tracking, IT infrastructure monitoring, network monitoring, looking for security alerts, overall security posture, hundreds of different things to improve your overall IT infrastructure. The ability Stratiam gives you to connect to data from multiple places allows you to build up a full scorecard or kind of report on how that your organisation is performing against many different things. Think of it as like your car's MOT, where the MOT is checking your brakes, your tyres, exhaust, emissions, all those kind of things. By connecting Stratiam to multiple different data sources, we can do the effective kind of MOT or scorecard on your organisation's data, from everything from security posture to cloud infrastructure, network monitoring to service desk operations, all sorts of things. We can provide that whole kind of scorecard approach. It's very useful to see. That means you can be benchmarked against other organisations in your space, but more importantly, you can benchmark against how you were performing and future performance to always optimise, because there's always something that can be improved. Stratiam will look at the whole kind of cross-section of how your organisation is performing, provide actions and insights that you can optimise against and improve going forwards.